I think our current tree predicament is we just don't have enough trees. We have about 12% forest cover in this country. We can't have a good, sustainable, ecologically resilient resource unless we have more forests. And it's as simple as that, really.
So we could be doing better in terms of managing our forests. We could be doing better in terms of planting more trees. We could be doing better in terms of engaging different demographics of society that can help us enrich what we have now and create a new story and pathway. By leading this inquiry, we're asking what can we do better and how can we do it? And that's a good starting point.
We're no longer at a point where we can just idly sit and chat about things. We need people involved and engaged in ways that blur lines that haven't been blurred before and involve different areas that haven't crossed over and cross-pollinated before. So we need tree radicals so that we have a future.
Change is so significant at the moment, and that's change in climate, change in ecology, change in society, change in technologies and how we build. But we're fairly conservative in how we approach learning about trees and forestry. Tree radicals is almost not teaching, but bringing in experience from other places and combining it with forestry knowledge.
Tree radicals is for people who already have skills, who are willing to come and apply them to help our trees and forests.
We see it very much as an inquiry, and we're very interested in people who can bring a sort of an element of creative thinking to the space.
It's for anyone who is interested in understanding more, but from lots of different perspectives. You will go away with a richer, deeper understanding of how different industries and different realms and different perspectives can all interplay into what the future of woodland might be.
Tree Radicals is not an educational course in a conventional sense. If you come to us, you're not going to sit down and passively receive learning. You'll have the agency to apply yourself to the situation and develop practical responses.
We will be working with lots of people with interesting ideas and experience.
Expect open discourse and really rich conversations, and conversations you weren't expecting in a beautiful area.